Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue. Welcome everybody and hello. It is lovely to have you with me this morning. Bonjour, bienvenue à French with Mr. Innes. It is lovely to see you. Today we are going to be kickstarting a series of videos which will be released every single day. And we are going to be doing 4 things in these videos. Number 1, numéro 1, we are going to be learning one new French phrase or expression. 2, we are going to be learning 4 new vocabulary words based on one sort of theme. 3, we are going to be learning a fun fact about the French-speaking world. 4, we are going to be thinking about a new French song. So let's get going with numéro 1. Our first thing for the day is a new French phrase, and this phrase is, and I want you to écouter, it is bienvenue. 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 Bienvenue means well came. It basically means welcome. So if I say bienvenue at the beginning of our video, it means welcome. We are going to learn today 4 expressions about the family. So what I'd like you to do is to écouter 6 fois, listen 6 times, and then I'll get you to repeat it after me, and we might even use some funny voices. Our first expression means my mum. Écoutez 6 fois. Ma mère. Ma mère. Ma mère. Ma mère. Ma mère. Ma mère. Répétez. Ma mère. Ma mère. Ma mère. Ma mère. Ma mère? Ma mère. Second expression means my dad. Écoutez 6 fois. Mon père. Mon père. Mon père. Mon père. Mon père. Mon père. Répétez. Mon père. Mon père. Mon père. Mon père? Mon père. Our next expression means my brother. Mon frère. Mon frère. Mon frère. Mon frère. Mon frère. Mon frère. Répétez. Mon frère. Mon frère. Mon frère. Mon frère. Mon frère. Mon frère. And last but not least, the next one means my sister. Répétez. Ma soeur. Ma soeur. Ma soeur. Ma soeur. Ma soeur. Ma soeur. Répétez. Ma soeur. Ma soeur. Ma soeur. Ma soeur. Ma soeur. Ma soeur. I wonder how you feel about your sister. Ma soeur or ma soeur? I don't know. And now it's time for our fun fact about a French-speaking country. Did you know that la tour Eiffel is 324 mètres? The Eiffel Tower is 324 meters tall. This is what it looks like from underneath, and this is what it looks like at the top. And now for our song of the day, and you'll find a link to the song underneath this video on YouTube. This song is by a group called Bertrand, and it's a bit of a classic, and it is called Ça plane pour moi, which basically means everything is going well for me. I reckon your mère and père might well know it. So that is everything from this premier jour, this first day of French with Mr. Innes. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Au revoir!